Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you got banned or suspended on Facebook and you have found this message here that they are going to disable your account in 180 days, so you can do is whenever you found this window or message, you can do is simply click on appeal button, and appeal form will be appeared with some verification process that you have to enter your personal details, and you have to add something. You have to describe about your account that this, if this is a mistake or this is unfair decision, that you don't violate any type of terms and policy or guidelines. So you can see that this might be a mistake, so you can request the team to review your Facebook account again. Then you can actually, then you have to go through the verification process. That is, you might need to verify your identification through a valid government issued document. That could be your national ID card or the driver license or the passport actually. So you can enter the details of the all of your documents and take a photo or picture clearly on a lead surface to get all of the details accurately. Then after that, you have to enter the input the both you have to capture the both side of pictures of this card or the documents. Then you have to post it on that verification section, and you have to go through a face verification also. You have to stand on, you have to simply click on this camera or face verification. So it will give you a QR code or a application. So through that application or the link, you will be redirected to your camera, or your camera will open up automatically, and you have to scan your face and you have to move your face that actually prompted on your screen. Now the second thing is you have to add your personal details, that you have to enter your all the login credentials and something like your add a photo, your ID. You have to add your photo of your ID here that you have just captured in this section. So that's how you can submit an appeal. Then they will verify your identification with your Facebook account. If they find it right, then you will get your Facebook account back. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.